Welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, we will show you how to find shared media with a specific contact in WhatsApp web. Whether it's a memorable photo or an entertaining video, we've got you covered. Let's dive into the steps. Step 1. Open WhatsApp on your computer. Step 2. Open the chat with the desired contact. Step 3. Look for the 3 dots icon in the top right corner. Step 4. Select Contact Info from the drop-down menu. Step 5. Click on the arrow icon next to Media, Links, and Docs. Step 6. Navigate to the Media tab to view all the shared media. By following these simple steps, you can easily find and access all the shared media with a specific contact in WhatsApp web. It's a great way to relive special moments and enjoy shared content. We hope this tutorial has been helpful in guiding you through the process of finding shared media in WhatsApp web. If you found this video informative, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to our channel for more useful tutorials like this. Thank you for watching, and stay tuned for more exciting content.